feel too good. Shit. My parents are on their way.
Are you having trouble cleaning your roach-infested dorm? Did you just throw a totally irresponsible party last night?
Yeah!
Well, look no further than the party vacuum. It can clean beer spills, shit stains, piss puddles, and more.
Wow, that sounds...
Shut the fuck up. Not only does the vacuum have better suction capabilities than your ex, but it also can fit 300 gallons of cum in it. Yes, 300 gallons of cum.
Come on, how is that possible? There's no way all of that can fit in that little